Click Setup, Network and WLAN to connect the same Wi-Fi as the computer. Press the window Enter keys on your keyboard to open the Run dialog, then type CMD and click OK. This will open the command prompt window. Enter the command IP protocol configuration to search for the IPv4 address of the device connected to the Wi-Fi. Click LIS, enter the corresponding IPv4 address and port 5600, then reconnect it. After installing the DMS software, kindly double-click the icon to open and log in as admin account. Click Setup LIS Communication to confirm the IP address must be empty, and port number is 5600. Then click LIS Server to input 5600 and save it. After few seconds, the right upper side icon will be lit up, means that DMS software successfully connect to the analyzer. Now the instrument can support to click Communication to send the sample result to DMS software. Prepare a LAN cable and connect the instrument to the computer. Click Setup, Network and choose LAN to change the IP address as the video shows. Click LIS, then input the IP address as the video shows, click Save. Right-click the network icon, and choose the second option. Click Ethernet, change adapter option, then choose the Ethernet interface that is already connected. Right-click it and choose Property, IPv4, then change the IP address to be 10.0.0.102. In the same way, open the DMS software and set the port number to be 5600, then the instrument will be connected.